Hey guys, I'm Aria from SZGH Automation Company. Today, let's take a look at our latest controller, the 1080TC. This controller is an upgrade from the 1000 TDP controller. It features a 10.4-inch true-color LCD screen, making it easier to see and use. It can handle up to 6 axes with an impressive accuracy of 0.1 milliseconds. What's more, it also supports linear scale input, which includes position feedback for enhanced precision. The panel has added protection, including a magnetic lock to prevent accidental collisions. It also has more keys for chip removal and a safety door, ensuring safer operations. For more details, just contact me or visit our website.